My English Book 8, Standard 8, suggested pedagogical processes. Attempt creative writing like stories, poems, dialogues, skits. Learning outcomes 081708. Speaks in English about events in the school environment and outside in the surroundings. Unit 3 3.1 Why? Poetic lesson. Dear students, you must have heard and studied about the great scientist Newton. Seeing an apple falling from tree, his curiosity was awakened. He wants to know the reason why it falls on the ground. Finally, he found the reason and he invented the law of gravity. Curiosity is the mother of invention. म्हणजे कुतूहल ही शोधाची जननी आहे. एव्हरी लर्नर शुड ट्राय टू फाइंड द रिझन अबाउट हॅपनिंग थिंग्स. म्हणजे प्रत्येक शिकणाऱ्याने घडणाऱ्या घटनांमागील कारणांचा शोध घ्यायला हवा. बिकॉज एव्हरीथिंग इज कनेक्टेड विथ व्हाय. कारण प्रत्येक गोष्ट ही कुठल्या तरी कारणाशी संबंधित असते. सो स्टुडंट्स, वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी the poem of one such curious boy. The title of the poem is Why. Through this poem, the poet has told us the questions which arose in the mind of this boy. We shall sing the poem in chorus and try to understand. The title of poem is Why. Why? I know a curious little boy who is always asking why. Why this, why that, why then, why now? Why not, why by and by? Why this, why that, why then, why now? Why not, why by and by? He wants to know why wood should swim, why lead and marble sink, why stars should shine and winds should blow, and why we eat and drink. He wants to know what makes the clouds. He wants to know what makes the clouds and why they cross the sky. Why sinks the sun behind the hills and why the flowers die. Why sinks the sun behind the hills and why the flowers die. He wants to know why wind should blow come. He wants to know why wind should come from out the bellows nose. Why pop guns should go pop and why pop guns should go pop and why the ocean ebbs and flows. He wants to know why fish have gills and why boys cannot fly. He wants to know why fish have gills and why boys cannot fly. Why steam comes from the kettle spout. Why steam comes from the kettle spout and rain falls from the sky. He wants to know why coal should burn. He wants to know why coal should burn, and why not a bit of stone. How seeds get in the apple core. How seeds get in the apple core, and marrow in the bone. He wants to know why I should melt. He wants to know why I should melt. Why spiders eat the flies. Why bees should sting, and why the yeast should make the dough to rise. Why bees should sting, and why the yeast should make the dough to rise. Some of his whys are not too hard to answer if you will try, but other no one ever ate. But other no one ever ate has found the reason why. But other no one ever ate has found the reason why. I know a curious little boy who is always asking why. I know a curious little boy who is always asking why. Why this, why that, why then, why now, why not, why by and by. Study play. Write down questions as you can. Depends on many facts from the nature. सुरेश दगडू भिंगार दिवे, झेडपी स्कूल धोत्रे मराठी, तालुका कोपरगाव, डिस्ट्रिक्ट अहमदनगर, UDIS कोड 27260305 301.